Everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be showing you how to install the EVBase induction style wheel covers on my second Tesla Model Y. Now, these are designed to replace the 19-inch Gemini wheel covers that come on the Tesla Model Y as a stock option. These new wheel covers do protect the wheels from road rash, especially because this is our second car and it is a lease, and we want to avoid hopefully getting charged when we go return the car to upgrade to our new Tesla Model Y, or even go in a different direction as our second car to maybe a Rivian R2.
In the box, you get 4 matte black wheel covers, foam tape to reduce noise and protect the rims, and of course I got the Tesla center caps that are designed in white. These wheel covers are lightweight ABS but strong, and they snap on securely with metal buckles.
So first, we're going to actually remove the Gemini stock wheel covers that are on my Tesla Model Y. This doesn't come with any kind of tools, so you just have to use your hands, but you just grab right where these parts are, and that's where they're stuck to. There we go. So, I'm just realizing this, but if you grab it from the bottom as opposed to here, it seems like they come out a lot easier. There we go. Just kind of put your hand right there, and there you go. And this is what it looks like without the cover. You can definitely drive with it, but we're going to cover this up to make sure it's protected.
Then we're going to put on the foam tape along the inner circle of each wheel cover. This helps absorb vibrations, prevents scratches, and keeps the covers nice and snug. Now for the center cap, I'm going to do those last because I want them all to be upright when I finish installing the wheel covers. And here's a bonus. On EVBase website, they say that these covers are actually more aerodynamic than the stock Gemini. Testing shows about 15 extra miles of range on a full charge. So you're getting protection, better looks, and better efficiency.
For this next part, we're going to install the new covers. And first thing I'm going to do is find the little notch that's right here that's meant for your valve stem right there. So you can line that up first. And then we're going to start pushing on these sections in between these spokes right here to pop them into place. So line that up first. And as you line that up, everything else just kind of lines up the way it's supposed to be. And then push it in. Okay, and that is definitely on there. Now we're going to install all of these to all the other 3 tires.
Now we're going to do the same steps to install the remaining wheel covers on this Model Y. Here's the difference. These wheel covers fully wrap to the rim's edge, unlike the stock Gemini caps that leave the alloy exposed. That means better protection from curb rash. And visually, it's a night and day upgrade. It looks like you paid for Tesla factory induction wheels, but at fraction of the cost. When I bought my first Model Y, I paid the $2,000 wheel upgrade. They look great, but I was always afraid I was going to nick them anytime I parallel parked. But I did get ahead of that, and I also got from EVBase a wheel protector, which I made a video on how to install those, and you can find those on my channel as well.
So that's how you install the EVBase wheel covers for your Model Y. So whether you're leasing or simply just want to upgrade the look of your Model Y without spending a ton of money, these are a no-brainer. So if you want to grab a set for yourself for your current Model Y, or if you got a brand new Juniper Model Y, I left a discount code in the description below to save yourself some money. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.